Everyone says use AI to save time, but how do you actually do that? Well, today I'm going to show you 6 practical AI hacks that I use every single week. No fluff, no hype. That's now saved me over 10 hours every week. I'm not a coder and I'm not a tech bro, but I've been using AI to automate boring tasks, brainstorm faster, and clean up my digital life. These 6 hacks have helped me stop wasting time on stuff like summarizing reports, rewriting emails, or planning content. Do you ever open a 45-minute video and think, I just need the key takeaways? Well, this fixes that. Use a transcripts tool like Glasp or simply grab the transcript from YouTube, paste it into Notebook LM, and ask it for bullet points or a TLDR. Summarize this YouTube transcript into 5 main takeaways and 3 actionable tips. Now, that prompt is how I watch an hour of content in literally 30 seconds. The next thing is, do you ever write something and think it sounds nothing like you? Just feed it into AI with the tone you want, and it rewrites the content like it knows you. A prompt you can use is rewrite this message in a casual, friendly tone like I'm texting a friend, but keep it professional and relaxed. I use this for client emails, proposals, and LinkedIn posts, especially when I'm tired and I sound like a robot. This entire video started as a one-line prompt, and AI gave me the hook, outline, everything. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or a sales video, give AI your topic, audience, and tone, and let it handle the first draft. An example of a prompt is write a 3-minute script for a YouTube short about 3 best AI tools for solopreneurs. Make it clever and concise. Now, this way, it's like having a creative partner who works instantly, doesn't sleep, and never complains. Now, the next use case is manually translating spreadsheets. Now, I dropped a GPT formula into Google Sheets using a free AI Chrome extension called GPT Workspace and translated over 1,200 product descriptions in Spanish under a minute. I'll drop the link to the free tool below if you want to try it. When I have a content block, I usually just ask AI for 10 ideas. Usually 3 to 4 are ready to post immediately. So a prompt example is write 10 short form hooks that grab attention and spark curiosity for your niche. It saved me hours staring at blinking cursors and blank Notion pages. This prompt is absolutely amazing. Okay, so the next use case is, have you ever got a 60-page client report and they want a summary by the end of the day? Well, what you can do is upload the PDF or paste key sections and ask for a concise executive summary. Even better, ask what actions should be taken from that document. So prompt example for this is summarize this report into 5 insights and give me 3 actionable items based on this data. Now I read reports while making coffee. It's an absolute game changer. All right, that's the 6 AI hacks discussed in the video. And yep, I dropped the link to that free Chrome extension below called GPT Workspace. It plugs straight into Google Sheets in your whole Google Workspace. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe for more AI-powered productivity hacks in the future.